What's up, y'all? So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're heading out to Cars and Coffee out in Folsom. It's been a while since I've gone out to one of those, probably a couple years actually, but we're gonna head out and check out all the cars there and just grab some coffee. But I'll pick up the camera again when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up. We're about to get out and go and check out all the cars over there, but it's cold. I'm not sure. I didn't even notice that. It's a Ferrari?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No, that's not what it is. That's Porsche.
Can we look at the inside? No.
Yeah. You just can't touch it or open it. This thing is clean though.
Mm-hmm.
These are clean.
It's really nice.
You don't have the Z06 badge on the side like that.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones have clear taillights on the back.
That's how they come?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
Clean. But yeah, so this one's the newest one right now. But this model right here, it's like the white one we saw. It's the like standard edition one.
Oh, okay.
They haven't made the Z06 yet. It's clean though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a fan of stripes though, really. But look at the inside. The inside's
I
super
think they
clean
look
underneath.
really nice though. I don't know if you can even see it on the camera.
No, you probably can't, but you can see it.
It's
And
really
then look,
nice.
these have the motors in the back.
Oh, what?
And so it has a front. So basically the trunk is in the front, so they call it a front. Damn, that reminds me of my wrap almost.
Yeah. Wait, was your red and blue like that too, babe?
What?
Like that car?
My
When
wrap?
your wrap, yeah.
Yeah, it was similar. Just, oh no, it was like exactly like that, don't you? Because mine was like red. And then- These are expensive. The
What year do you think this is?
57, maybe. 71, I'm not sure. Definitely didn't cheap out. I think it's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Well, he has it on a back setup. If you look at the back, you can see the big tank with the compressors.
I think that's why he opened it up, so you can see.
Yeah,
Dang.
that's a big tank. On my setup, it wasn't that fat. It was about that long. But it
First
wasn't,
stitch?
Yeah, but it wasn't that fat. I'm still trying to get one of these. I can get one of these in like 1975 and under, because those don't need swap. So you can really throw any motor in there. This one is stock everything, it's super clean.
Oh, isn't this like what the one your brother wants?
Yeah.
This one's nice too, babe.
Yeah, it's super nice. Oh, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's super long though.
Yeah, I've always liked like old school cars like this. Because I feel like it'd be super comfortable and fun to just cruising out. Look at that one though, the little white one.
Let me get a little of the inside. Like that.
Remember, don't touch anything.
Mm-mm.
I feel like this one reminds me of like what's this? Mr. Bean. You ever see the one where he has a chair and he's like driving it from the top?
I think so,
Is that a
yes.
yellow car?
Mm-hmm. It looks like a marshmallow.
A marshmallow?
Yeah.
It kind of does look like one, now that you say that. It's interesting though, it's an interesting looking car. I've never seen one of these before.
It's hard because you can barely see the inside.
Yeah. But look at this. There's a Nardo Wrap Civic on your Civic.
You know I like that color wrap.
But yeah, these are the cars that he would always drive in the movies.
I like white cars with the red interior.
I do too, but I prefer all black interior.
Can I like... Ooh. You prefer white with black interior?
Yeah, I prefer any car with black interior. That's just me.
And there's a little one.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, and the bed is up there.
Oh, it drops?
Yeah, I think so. There's like a mattress up there, a little one. And the little stove with the little sink.
It's cool though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like when people just make hot rods. Cuidado que no le pegues al carro.
I know.
Everybody that comes out here, takes their time to detail their cars so it looks all nice.
It's really,
And then they get to share it with everybody else.
they're really cool.
Car culture sell it out because you'll see something like that Corvette and then you'll see something like this. Completely different. And then it's even more different when you get to ride in them or you drive them.
Isn't this car like Flo in Cars?
Yeah.
Is that her name?
Yeah.
Oh look, they have a little car.
car.
What are those little tanks for?
That I actually don't know.
Look at Mater, babe. Mater made an appearance.
I like the trunk.
Ooh, it has the nice like wood.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Look at the
My
tank.
other
What
right is
that?
your. That's really funny. And then I like the wrap on this. Is it wrap or is that the
Mustang
color?
That one. It's coming in. An old 60s original Mustang.
It's really nice. I can't get it right now.
That's good. Then a dune buggy. I always wanted to ride one of these like in the sand. Look at all the bugs.
Wait, where?
To the right. That are coming in.
Oh,
Yeah, it gets really cold. It's coming out here like. This is like Honda's version of the Ferrari. This is like their exotic, like their top line sports car at the time.
really?
Yeah. There's a new NSX. It's an NSX. There's a new one around here somewhere that I thought I'll show you the difference. But I think this one takes it. Easy.
There's so many nice cars.
We interrupt this program.
Así se abre este? Like this? Babe, what are those?
The horns. Those are horns.
Those are cool looking horns.
I mean, it just wasn't. I think it was impulse buy.
I like it in white.
Yeah. The only one I've ever been was the one at Oakville, the green one.
The green one?
Yeah.
I like this white color more though.
It's the same model too. This is the second closest I've been to one. But it's the first time I'm gonna see the motor. I've never seen the motor on these.
I like the ruby red.
Yeah, it's clean.
No, it's a two-car inside. It's supposed to be.
With the Recaros. Now this one, he has the. This is the max spec of it because he has the carbon fiber everything. The wheels.
Is that how it comes?
Yeah,
With the carbon fiber? That's really cool.
And I think this is called the Predator motor. Yeah, these are hella clean.
Yeah, no backseat. 27 engine in it. So it's got.
These are the Cobras.
Wait,
But light.
these are Shelby Cobras? I don't think I've ever seen an old one like this in person. Look at the plates.
Right.
Oh, Cobra.
Old Cobra.
Stock?
That would be cool. They even have a little demon motor. See it?
That's really cool. Hey, wait, isn't this the Mustang that you want, babe?
Huh?
The black Mustang?
What? That one's, I think it's like a 69. This one's like my old one. Black one.
Hmm?
I think it has a Whipple on it.
Mm-hmm. It says Whipple Superchargers.
That's crazy. This is one of these Whippled. LSX Rogue Whippled. Oh, that's it has a Corvette motor in it.
Those things are great. They're actually really good on gas, and you can drive them every day, and they're practical, and they're super reliable. No,
Just like the other one. Just this one's new.
This is the newest one?
Yeah. I'm personally a fan of the other one though.
The other one's really cool. But this one's nice too.
Yeah, it's cool too. But I also think the other one is. It's more my cup of tea. Both got last swap. Again, that's what the stuff gonna look like.
Oh, okay.
YouTube. Yeah. SSI Native.
Kept it in the garage. Yeah. I talked about the seller to me a few years ago, so I had it shipped out here.
You know how I feel about Corvettes.
Yeah, it was rebate.
Didn't you want a Viper?
No. I still want a Viper. I didn't used to want one. I still want one. My Dream Team Viper is like the newest one they made.
I want to get a front shot. The motor in the back.
You can get a better angle. Yeah, tiny. And then it has a trunk still on here back.
So it's like the motor, and then right here's the trunk.
And then it still has a front.
Not this one. I think
No, it still has a front. It's just really small. See? There's a little space. So it has some stuff in the front, obviously, but the spares. This one's definitely. It's it's always been one of my dream cars.
This one's really nice.
Import's always been this. The Supra. All the big things.
Other than this beautiful Subi.
That's carbon fiber barrels for the wheels.
And the back.
The trunk and the spoilers carbon fiber.
One day.
You like it?
Yeah, I just want it in black.
Oh, this is wrapped. Could be black for all you know. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. We just wanted to come out here, check out the cars. It's been a long time, like I said, since we've been out here, but we saw a lot of cool stuff here, a lot of cool cars. It was a pretty good turnout. They said it was pretty small compared to how it usually is, and from what I remember, they do have times when it's like a lot more full, but either way, it was pretty good turnout. If you guys like the cars that you guys saw, go ahead and drop a like. I will be coming out to these more often, obviously not every single weekend, but I'll try to come out more often, either to this one or to other Cars and Coffee, just to check out the cars. But that'll basically be it. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, and if you're not, just go ahead and drop a like, comment which car was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next video.